Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is PAXG coin or PAXG coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical answers, so let's begin. So this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. So you can see current price is $4,012. It is down by 1%. Rank is around 59. Around 102k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $1.33 billion. And the volume in 24 hours is $327.73 million, and you can see it is down by 20%. So now we'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so previously you can see candles were moving in this channel pattern, and then you can see breakout happened, then candles started moving in an upward direction. So this is the support trend line. Okay, so this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving up. Okay, so if you go to the weekly chart also, you can see very clearly that candles were moving in this channel pattern. So you can see it started from support, went to this resistance, again the fall happened, again it went up, fall, again went up. So like this it was moving, fall, and then it has started moving in an upward direction. Okay, so you can see after this candles went to the resistance level. So slowly the candles may come down to support level, and after this fall and breakout, again the candles may start moving toward the resistance level. So you can see that clearly, and you can see candles were moving in this channel pattern, and if the and you can see there is a breakout happen, so candles may fall to the support, and after the breakout it may go up, again the fall, again it may go up. So like this the candles may move in this uptrend channel pattern, and in case if it doesn't give a breakout, then candles may fall in this channel pattern itself, it may fall. Okay, so like this it may fall. If the breakout happens, it may go to this resistance and then fall, and again it may go up. Okay, so since the fall is happening, RSI is also falling, and when the reversal takes place, you may see a breakout. So now we'll talk about another cryptocurrency, that is JLP coin, and you can see current price is $5.40. It is down by 1%. Rank is around 201. Position around 12k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $2.24 billion, and the volume in 24 hours is 107.62 million. It is down by 14%. So now we'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us find out the support resistance levels, which is very important to know where these candles are moving. So this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving, and previously you can see candles went up, fall happened, again it has gone up to the resistance level. So candles may come down to the support level. Okay, and then after the breakout it may start moving in an upward direction. So if you go to the weekly chart also, you can see very clearly that candles are moving this channel pattern. So initially it started from support, went to resistance, fall happened, came down to support, again it has gone up. So from here again the candles may come down to the support. Okay, and after the breakout may start moving up, again the fall, again may go up. So like this the candles are moving. So you can see candles are moving in this uptrend channel pattern. Okay, and now from here the downtrend may start. So this is the support resistance trend line. So candles may fall to support, again it may go up, fall, again go up, and then finally after the breakout it may go to the resistance level, which is around 6.9, and this breakout may take place around 4.8. So like this it may move in this channel pattern. Okay, since the like candles have given a breakout, you can see RSI is in the oversold zone. So if it stays there continuously, the fall may take place. Okay, so you can see that very clearly. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.